That's right, Joyce. It will be extended past next Monday, May 4th. We won't know exactly how long and if any other restrictions might be lifted until Friday. That's when the governor says he should have his next update here at the Capitol. There are a lot of governors across the country, even some in the Western States Pact, who have started to lift restrictions. But today the governor shared some data with us that says, at least in his opinion, that the state needs to stay on track.
Because it means if we stop our efforts today, we're going to see a lot more people die in the state of Washington in not too distant future.
The state is not ready to open back up, says Governor Inslee. While the number of infections and deaths are declining, Inslee says the state just doesn't have enough tests or the capability to trace who patients have been in contact with. Washington's restrictions remain the most strict of the 5 states within the Western States Pact, where each governor is taking their own approach. In Oregon, for example, elective surgeries resume Friday, and restrictions could be lifted in rural areas ahead of urban ones. In California, some beaches are open, and there's talk of reopening schools in July. Much of Colorado's stay-home order expires this coming Sunday, allowing hair salons and personal training to resume. Washington's governor called the pact more of a communication agreement than a synchronized recovery effort.
That's just not practical because each state is significantly different. Colorado has a more optimistic view coming down than we do in the modeling, for instance. So we're making good decisions based on Washington data and Washington science and Washington's health.
While more restrictions and details are supposed to be announced and perhaps lifted come Friday, the one thing the governor did say would be coming as a relief to many is that so-called non-urgent surgeries will be allowed to resume next month as long as hospitals have enough protective gear to make sure everyone is safe. Live in Olympia, Drew Mickelson, King 5 News.
Thank you.